Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. This is episode 130 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm back inside after picking the nectarines, Heavenly White Nectarines. Let me flip it around. And I got about 3 bags. I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to prolong your fruit life, I guess, fruit freshness after picking, okay? Obviously you want to put it in the fridge, or put it in an ice chest with ice, stuff like that. Do whatever you used to do to keep them cool, okay? But there's another trick that many people don't do, that I'm surprised they don't do because it's cooler to pick. In the summer, if you hear my son in the background, he's laughing watching TV. In the summer, it's hot. You have to pick the fruit in the morning. Right now, these are cool. It's going to be 103, and yesterday was 104. This is cool to the touch. It feels like it came out of the fridge a little bit, almost. It's cool, because it was 65 degrees last night. If you pick them at the end of the day, the hot sun's been hitting it all day. So it's going to, if you don't eat it right away and you pick it, it's going to essentially rot or ripen really quickly on the counter. You could put it in these are very dense nectarines, any fruit really, but these are very dense. If you put it in an ice pack or an ice chest or the fridge, it's going to take a long time to get deep inside the fruit to cool it off. And by then, it might have changed the flavor, changed with hot temperature to cold temperature. It might have changed something. Some like tomatoes. If you put tomatoes in the fridge, they could the scent and the taste will be different or will be diminished. Some fruits act like that as well. So pick your fruit in the morning, not at night, unless you're going to eat it right away. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.